take a colored sheet and take your scale. Measure with your scale as 5 centimeters from here to 1 to 5 centimeters. See, up to here it is 5 and here to here it is 5 and here to here it is 5. Total the line is 15 centimeters, and keep the dotted dots on 5 centimeters, and 5 plus 5 is 10 centimeters. Keep the dots on 5 and 10, and from here to the dotted place 2 you have to take 20 centimeters. Draw a line that consists of 20 centimeters. From the dotted place 2 you have to trace a line from here to here, and here also we have to take a line. Draw from here to it is 20 centimeters, and this box should consist of 4 boxes. These lines, from these lines you have to draw 4 boxes. Each box consists of 5 centimeters. Take your scale and measure from here. Keep your scale on the line, and from here to here it is 5 centimeters, and from here to here it is 5. Keep dots on the 5 centimeters, and from here to here it is 5 centimeters. Mark it, and from here to here it is 5, and the line, total line is 20 centimeters. Here also you have to draw the line which is consisting of 20 centimeters. And we have drawn here again the 20 centimeters, and from in these 2 lines you have to draw 4 boxes. Each box should consist of 5 centimeters. From here to here, when we measure, it should be 5 centimeters. See, from here to here it is exactly 5 centimeters. Yes, see, 5, and here to here it should be 5. 5 plus 5, 5 to 5, 10. See, from here to here it is 15. So here to here it is 5 centimeters. So the line is 20 centimeters. And join the 2 dots from here and here. As we have measured, as we have kept here dots from here to here, draw a line, and here and here and here. See, we have seen here 4 boxes, and now where we kept here the dots, from here to here again take 5 centimeters. Draw a line from here. See, 5 centimeters, and join the 2 lines here. Yes. And same as usual, here also we have to take 5 centimeters and draw a line here and join the 2 lines with 5 centimeters line. Now we can see the structure. See, we have drawn the object, and now see, we have to draw that. We have to trace the dotted lines. It is used for attach the paper. So all the sides you have to keep the dotted lines. Now we have to take a scissor, and we have to cut the paper along with the dotted lines. Don't cut the dotted lines. See, you have to keep the lines like that only, and cut the paper beside from the dotted lines. Observe properly how to cut the paper. See, we got the paper like this. Got it, everyone? See it properly. See, after cutting the paper, we can see the paper like this. Now we have to fold the paper. See how to fold. Look at properly. Now from here we have to fold the paper from the dotted lines, and here fold it the paper where we have drawn the lines. Fold the paper from there. Now look at properly. Observe the paper properly. How to fold the paper. See, beside the dotted lines we can see the line. fold the paper from the line. Now fold it. How to fold? See the paper properly. Observe it. Fold it properly like that. And fold the paper like this. You have to stick the gum here. Outside the paper. See where I am showing. There you have to keep the gum here. And paste it like this. See, paste it to the edges. Keep the gum. Yeah, you have to keep the gum there and paste it like this. Paste the gum here also. Keep the gum. Fold it like this. Already we have folded the paper, so keep it like this. By seeing the video, see here also we have to paste the gum at all the edges where we are showing you. See, yeah, you have to paste the gum. See, now see, after pasting the paper we have got the shape like this. See, is it clear? You have to paste the papers like this. Keep the gum to the sidewards and make it properly as a cube.